Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your inspection light and also oil light on this Seat Arona. First, what we need to do is come over here. We're going to turn the ignition on. As you can see, it should flag up in a minute. As you can see, we've got the inspection light on. So what we're going to do is we're basically going to go over to this button here. See that one there? And we're going to scroll to the range, as you can see. And we're going to press and hold this button for 10 seconds. Then we're going to release it. As you can see, we've got a menu up. And now we're going to scroll this button to oil service reset. And we're going to press this button to accept it. As you can see, press it again. As you can see, that's now been reset. And now we're going to go scroll down to, as you can see, it's a scrolling button. It also push it into, press enter. We're going to scroll to inspection, as you can see with that button. And we're going to press enter. Enter again. As you can see, our inspection light's now been reset. Now that's all done. All we got to do is literally just come back out of the menu, like so. And now we're going to turn our ignition off. Now we're going to start the engine, and our inspection light should have gone out by now. As you can see, there's no inspection light on the dash. Thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.